So this is a BlitzBed Single in a 2012 Honda CR-V. We've got the extra long legs set up here to raise the bed up and over that seat cushion. So this seat cushion tumbles forward up against the driver's seat, which is pushed forward. And we've got the bed directly on the top of the tumbled cushion. So a little less headroom, but this guy's 6 feet, so he's not gonna fit behind the cushion. So we needed to extend the length of the bed. This works really well. And he is a 2012 Honda CR-V. Let's take one final look around. It's a 6'4" bed right there.